We were originally supposed to leave at 9 o'clock, then 8:30, and then we still ended up leaving. Really? Please!
You said 30 seconds up.
Okay, 30 seconds again.
Not even 5.
Oh, have mercy. This is what happens when you have a grandpa in the group. Hopefully you can still hear us. We left at 9 o'clock today instead of 8:30, and we're all gonna blame it on Marvin. This is Marvin or chauffeur.
It's Chantal.
Or chauffeur. Let's not blame it on us.
She had to go in
Wait.
That
wasn't me. That was the Saya. That was the
Oh,
Saya.
man.
Oh yeah, I did go in the dorm to be. We're on our way. After we finally, got ready, we got our gas, and now we are headed to. Drum roll, please. Providence Canyon.
We're gonna park.
Wherever there's a parking spot.
There's a lot of parking spots here.
This is where Grandpa says, duh. We made it! So we're gonna be, I'm not sure exactly what we do here. I just know it looks like a mini Grand Canyon. That's what we've seen on the pictures, but we're gonna see it in person, right?
Sure.
We walk by faith but not by sight but for the
You're
Grand
right,
Canyon.
that's on period.
We want to see it to believe
That's
it. We
how I
want to
do it.
see how it looks. So we're going to see the beauty of God's creation, because in creation you can see the love of God in everything. In a blade of grass you can learn lessons of the creation of God, of the love of God, of the character of God. We ain't picking up a blade of grass. The Grand Canyon! The mini Grand Canyon!
Are you really?
I'm gonna make it. No, I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. Okay, I ain't going no further.
She said I'm not going
No further. We have a problem. We have a huge problem. None of us know how to read a map.
No.
Not a person with it. None of what we're gonna be doing, we're just gonna wing it. We're gonna wing it, and we're gonna try and find out how in the world do we get down there.
This is what I'm telling you.
He said that we weren't lost.
So
Yeah. So wherever this is.
we're not lost. I think we're lost.
Lost? You cannot get lost that far, eh?
Exactly. Yeah, we're parked over there, but we're lost.
Now we are on our way.
Thank you,
sweetie. Yes, you are. Okay, bye, Nelson.
Have a good walk.
Thank you. A little advice is, if you ever plan to come to the little Grand Canyon, you need to walk with some water boots. That way it looks scary. Let's go this way.
Let's go to Scary Way then.
No!
But we could later.
Yeah.
See, look, this way.
We found them! Finally! Y'all came back for us?
No, they didn't.
Y'all came back for us! Who's that cutie in the pink hat?
I wonder.
Who's that cutie in the pink hat? How you doing, brother? Hi. Really, you gonna give me that face? Yeah, you've been waiting on us too long, huh? How y'all doing? See? More fun came to the party. It's better when we're all together, huh?
Right.
This place ain't easy. This place ain't easy at all. You gotta have some strong legs to get up this hill. Whew. The survivors.
One more survivor.
One more. This is where we coming from. It's like the Christian journey, isn't it?
Troubles come and my heart burden me.
They take cooperation on the most difficult part to help each other get up.
Yes.
Amen.
And encouragement from those who is further up
Yes.
in the walk. So that's the Christian journey. You need encouragement from people who might have passed through certain narrow ways
Yeah.
to get up to the top, and then you can actually rejoice even more
I rock climbing.
because you're with people who help you to get there and they understand the way. So
Amen.
great object lesson.
You have a broad way and you have a straight and narrow. It's not talking about the shape of the road, it being straight, but it's actually talking about the fact that straight means difficulties, trials, and tribulation, you know. So there are going to be times on that journey where we're going to have to come into some instances where we're going to have to battle and fight to get to the top. And that's true. But we're also told that we should fear not, for God is with us. Be not afraid, because he is our God and he will protect us. And the trials that we go through, it says that God literally arranges each and every trial specific to each person, because there are aspects of our character that we need to overcome. He wants to perfect us and remove those character traits that shouldn't be there, so that when we finally get to the top, we will be perfected. Be ye perfect as your Father in heaven is perfect. We made it!
So I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. It's no life without its hunger, each restless heart.
And the Lord said, behold, there is a place by me, and thou shalt stand upon a rock. And it shall come to pass, while my glory passeth by, that I will put thee in the cleft of the rock, and I will cover thee with my hand while I pass by. He hideth my soul in the cleft of the rock, where rivers of pleasure I see.
When we look at these rocks here out in this national park, we can see a most definite picture or even a sculpture of the master artist, God the Creator. And so we can see the mighty hand of God as the master sculptor in these rocks. Even the rain as it comes time after time is a part of God's sculpting and chiseling and the performance that he wants to lay out before us. It's the same way in our spiritual life. The experiences we have from day to day, the thoughts, the impressions, the songs we sing in his presence chisel out and carve out the experience of our life. And just as we can come here by the thousands today and see the marvelous colorations and the depth, texture, and of course the different sediments inside the rock, we can see that in the lives. Hopefully, we can see that in the lives of each person that has an experience with God the Creator. Why not today come into the studio of the master sculptor and art worker, Jesus Christ, and let him fashion your life into a reflection of his mighty power. Praise God.
Do what you have to do to get to the top.
At the end of the journey, there is joy.